What it says, my lords, what is of relevance here is paragraph 9. I'm sorry. Yes, so we have evidence to show, my lord, who these persons are and how they have come in subsequently. Paragraph 9. It is further respectively submitted that presently. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
An affidavit or an IA?
My lord, this is an affidavit by the fit. It is titled only affidavit on behalf of the fit person, proposed respondent number 6. Prabhakaran.
Paragraph number?
My lords, please see 9 first. Para 9 at page 8 internal.
Yes.
It is further respectively submitted that presently Arulmigu so and Pachaman Temple, Chennai, has 3 regularly appointed pujaris vide order passed by the first respondent dated 16/8/2023. My lord,
trying to take control.
Three more were added or two more were added, there's some confusion.
Yes.
They say that the Ambikapati was performing throughout.
Yes.
Has to continue is what their case is.
True, my lord, but this is a case, my lord, where on merits they have never succeeded for the last 40 years. Now to say, my lord, that my person should be the
Clear violation of the status quo.
no, my lord, very well, my lord. What I'll do is, my lord, there have been several affidavits here, my lord. My learned friend is saying there's some inconsistency between our affidavit and that of the fifth person.
The fifth person has given the date of the order, which shows that it is in violation of the status quo.
But puja has to go on, my lord.
He said status quo with regard to the puja. So whoever was doing the puja as on 25th July.
What you said is Pujari will not be changed. So there cannot be a change in Pujari. What was continuing will continue. That's a thumb rule. When a appeal is pending before the court,
Very well.
status quo which is there should continue.
Very well, my lord. We'll enforce that order, my lord. We'll enforce the order, my lord. I'll report back to your lordship, my lord, on Friday.
Please report
Yes,
back.
I'll report.
Next week you report back to us.
Yes.
Whether election part we are not interfering with.
That collection is different.
No, the hundi correction.
Only collection. That is being, my lord, it's being maintained, my lord. Here in his affidavit, the fifth person has given full particulars of how, my lord, they are maintaining, my lord, the.
To list this main matter also for appeal. In the meanwhile, take instructions on that. But we'll now take up both the matters, both the
I'm grateful, Lord, because in this last round, which is on the factual question, it has been held that it is not a denominational temple.
My lord, I am
And two courts,
satisfied.
my lord, have
That's
upheld.
not correct. It has not been held. So what has been denied is.
You can argue on the next day on that.
So, my lord, I just want to say, because we are concerned as.
No, my lord, I can show the passage, my lord. There is no difficulty. The only point here was whether it's a denominational temple.
Yes, yes.
If it is denominational, it is outside the Endowments Act. Now, my lord, the
If
denomination.
you're ready for arguments on that, we can hear you also on that.
My lord, I would request either, my lord, in the following week or after 2
Please
weeks.
be ready
But
for-
my lord, I just want to say one thing, that in the meantime, because there is an important occasion for the entire community which is coming up, and this.
Lord, I'll come back for
one-
your lordship on Friday.
The priest who was conducting one should be allowed to continue, and they are not allowing those festivities. In any case, I'm not in control of the.
This
the
is what is being
financial
stated for
aspect.
over and over again for 40 years.
No, my lord, why should they interfere?
Okay, this, the special leave petition, along with the applications for hearing. Application IA number,
Lord, I'll just give the number. I didn't. My lord, 102061 of 2023.
for hearing in the week commencing.
And my lord, they should maintain the status quo as directed.
That order is already there.
Yes, the order is already there, my lord. I'll
No, because my lords, they have said, not only fifth person says.
27th of January 2025.
not. I'm the proof.
And my lords, I have put in the material to show that these gentlemen were not qualified. They were acting.
We'll examine the whole thing.
My lord, the status quo, my lord, I will.
Restore, my lords, whatever it
My lord,
was.
we'll see what the status quo was, my lord, and we'll make sure that the order is compliant.
They can't speak in full voice.
No, they may verify because
We are
they.
keeping it for we give a very short date. And one more thing. So 27.
Who blanks?
Not applicable.
God, the in-laws have not come.
Because you moved an application.
No,
Lots may have it in fixed date. I'll just file my because I've received the wakalatnama as well from the others. That's why.
Are you also appearing for respondents 2 to 4?
No, Madas, no, Madas. And
R2 to R5 will not be served.
service is complete.
No.
All the
What is the office report?
if I may just read yours. Yes, service is not complete on 2 to 5. I stand corrected. If I
available every 5 years. We are fixing it on actual basis.
So what has happened? As compared to earlier.
Yes.
So the earlier retirees at the post of pay, captain, equivalence was very difficult today to find.
That is why equivalence has been brought in. This is nothing to do with equivalence, my lords. The only aspect is when you revise it every 5 years, should you do it on a notional basis or an actual example? That is the only thing. Actually, can we show this from?
We'll have to challenge this.
Could your lordship like?
We'll have to challenge this. Look, let me put it this way. Now they can even withdraw their SLP or appeal. They are the appellant before us. You're not the appellant.
Correct.
They can even simply withdraw their appeal.
May I just show the impugned
We
order?
cannot go into the correctness of that because this is a very highly debatable issue.
May I just show
It's
the
a
impugned
debate.
order? What they are
Say,
saying again?
let me put it, it's going to be contagious. It's a debatable issue.
My lord,
You
may
may after they
They,
filed
they
this.
can do that, my lord, but the thing is, they have come against a particular order. What? I'll just show the.
They are in appeal.
Correct.
You're not in appeal.
Correct.
You
And they
can
have
withdraw
taken
your
3
appeal
years.
today.
They have taken more than 3 years just to take a
Correct,
decision.
correct.
Now they are saying that we have taken the decision.
1 minute, please. We wanted them to take whatever decision. Now you challenge that. That's all. They're in
May I just show? My lord, these people are now more than 85-year-old.
MA 2752.
The direction, my lord, is what they are showing, my lord, is the report of the internal committee. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Tribunal's mandamus at para 7.
Please, ma'am. Correct. Tribunal's order, my lord, is year 31st 12. May I just show the
In
direction,
view of the, just come to paragraph 7 at page 10.
my lord? In view of the agreed position, that is what my lord is reading?
Yes.
In my petition, my lord, it is para 6.
In view of the rival.
In view of the agreed position,
No.
my lord.
In view of the rival contentions.
My lord, that is in the other 12, it is in 12.1. I am in 12.2.
We are in 12.
Both are same, issue is always same. There are
Okay,
two
read
separate orders.
paragraph
May I
10.
just read what is the order passed in my hand? This is a 3112, my lord, 2021 order. In 12.1. It is 9103 or 22. CA 9103. May I just read that order? In view of the agreed position by the learned counsel for the applicants and the learned panel counsel for the respondents, and since there is lack of clarity on certain aspects of OROP scheme, we direct that the respondent to decide the pension due to these lieutenant commanders of the Indian Navy as per the anomalies resolved by the Judicial Commission on the OROP scheme and subject to the issue of Government of India letter, disburse the pension at the entitled rate to the officers.
It's not a direction specifically given that the anomaly committee report be accepted. Anomaly committee
No, one
report
might
is an opinion. It's an opinion. It's not a binding force. It doesn't have the binding force. Now, whatever it is, they can simply withdraw their appeal today, saying that they have complied with that portion, and which, if you want to challenge it, you can challenge that.
Lord, that is what I am submitting, my lord. These are all more
No,
than
we will not be able to go into that.
They are
Look, this
more
is
than
contentious.
85-year-old.
We are ourselves saying
this
it's a
is-
contentious issue. The opinion given was only to that extent.
May I try to convince my lord not
mention Mullahs, but I have to. The reason is Mullahs. There was a Bangalore Palace Acquisition and Transfer Act of 1996, upheld by the High Court through legislation with a compensation of 11 crore. Just Mullahs, a minute.
Send your letter.
No, these says I will not allow. That's why I'm giving the reason. So Mullahs 11 crores upheld, appeal pending since 2003. In the meantime, the government wanted to have a public road for which TDR rights have been given of 3,000 crores.
Just send a letter, we'll take the
I've
letter.
sent a letter. He says because it's a civil appeal, I will not allow you to. Because
It's
this
a
is,
pending matter.
yeah, it's 2003 since
Okay, fine.
97 Mullahs.
Send a letter, please. Send a letter, please.
Very obliged. To implement it in 6 weeks, the 3,000 crores.
Please send a
I've sent
letter
it.
of
I've-
request,
Yeah.
an email or a letter of request, that's all. Request